Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Tottenham matches. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, once we open our browser, what we are going to do next is to search for where to watch Tottenham matches and then click on enter. After that, in this part, you should be able to see the streaming platform services that we can use to watch their matches. So we have here NBC Sports, we have Peacock, we have ESPN, and a bunch more streaming platform. Now let's say, for example, that you have already chosen your platform right here. So what we're going to do next is to open another tab and then just search for your streaming platform service and then just add a Tottenham at the end and then click on enter. After that, you should be able to see this. So since we're going to use YouTube TV right here, so click on the first link. And then what we're going to do next is to, of course, sign in into their account. So if you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to create one. But if you already have an account, you can just log in into your account right here. Now, just click try 21 days for $0 if you don't have any account yet, and then choose your account right here. Now, once you are logged in into your account, of course, you'll have to put your zip code. And then after you do that, you can click on start free trial or you can preview it for 20 minutes. So I'm going to click on this. And then what we're going to do on the search bar is to search for Tottenham and then click on enter once again. And then in this part, you will now be able to see this. So we can just click on this part and then you can scroll down and then you can now watch the matches right here. So all you have to do is to scroll down and then just click the match that you want to watch. So if you click on it, you should now be able to watch it right here. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.